Yeah, hello, yeah. So welcome to my YouTube channel. The name's remain the same. Rhymes, co-founder of Rando Technology Company. Yeah, so I've heard a lot of stuff going on right here on YouTube. Yeah, and I've seen a lot of reactors like beating around the bush. They don't know what they are saying, but just because it's a news, they also have to say something. But today I want to break all the news from A to Z, from scratch to the end. Yeah. So this what happened. That Polish girl, I am already met this girl last year. Yeah, and the girl was around 17 years. Yeah, 17 years. Yeah, so this year she's 18 years. On her passport, she's 18 years. That means she's a legal age teenager. She's a legal age teenager. So those people who are saying I am already wasn't right going after 14 or 15 years girl, that's irresponsible. Like you should go details before you will talk about these things. Yeah, yeah. So this how all these issues pop up. Do you know the girl is from Poland? Like, so she's a Polish, yeah, girl, and she's in USA. So at least she has to mingle with people who have legal right to roam in the United States of America. Yeah. So I am married to is there for tourists. So let me say he's there for visiting. And Ivan too is always there. Like, so he has permits, working permits, roaming permits, everything. Yeah. So this how the issue pop or start or pop up or start. Yeah. So this girl is a girl who is also influencer on TikTok. Yeah, so that means she has to mingle with people who are famous in order to what, be famous. And right now she's famous. That's why she's talking rubbish, talking anyhow. Because she knows that if I talk bad about Ayamare, people will be knowing me more. That's why I know her right now. So kudos to her. Yeah. So that's why she's talking rubbish. And this how it happens. When Ayamara invited this Polish girl to Ivan's apartment, so right now she knows that Ivan and Ayamara are now close. So that means probably Ivan too will enjoy the fame of Ayamara. So she have to work smart. This one you have to think smart. Think smart. So the best thing is, okay, then let me just mingle with Ivan and let me see something. And as a good friend, like if your girlfriend is my friend, no matter what she will do, I will never date her. That's a sign of a good friend. That's a sign of every good friend. Like like good friends shouldn't envy brother man. A good friend shouldn't go in for one girlfriend. Yeah, that's why I always say this. I am married. Like, so I got a friend yesterday and she told me that the name wasn't I am married. He said it was I am Maura. So I am Maura, something like that. But my accent is different, bruh. Yeah. So I was like saying this to Ayamara that you should be careful the people you called friends. In this industry, some people will be like friends, but in their mind, they are here to destroy you. That's what Ivan is doing. He's destroying Ayamara. So this Polish girl mingle with Ivan because she knows that Ivan has legal rights, legal permits in the United States. So she's trying to play a fast move on them. And as a good friend, you have to what? Like you have to tell Imara that yo, this girl is fake. This girl is not real. So you have to stay out of this girl. But this man didn't do that because he himself, like, he's fat, so like he can't propose to girls. So if he got this opportunity, Charlie, he has to utilize it. He has to utilize it well. That's what he was doing it. So so he was trying to do something for the Polish girl to know that, yo, I have legal right in here and I own this apartment. So the best thing is, let me kick Ayamaris out of my house so that this girl will know that, yo, now I own this apartment and I have working permits here, so that the girl will be mine forever. So that's the first place why Ivan kicked Ayamari out of his house, just to just to make it known to the girl that he owns the apartment. And one thing about this is, like he was saying a lot of shit, like, yo, like he was paying for everything. Yo, you were around 3k because of Ayamari president. You are now 11.3k. So which can, like, what do you want Ayamari to do again? You're enjoying the dollars right now, you're enjoying YouTube money right now, so what again do you want? So Ivan sell Mary out because of a lady. And when I heard this thing, like, I was like, how can you do that? So I went through the issue and I saw that, like, yo, the guy can't propose to a girl, so this opportunity, like, he has to utilize it well. That's why he did that thing to Ayamare. Yeah, but all I can say is Ayamare should be careful with the people he called friends, because, yo, some people, maybe you know they are your friends, but in not them, they are there to destroy you. And one thing is, yo, like, the girl is talking too much, and I find is talking too much. No matter what, the hands that face you, no matter what, you can't cut it away. Because if you cut it away, one day you will need the hands that will feed you again. And that's no good. So, like you kick a brother man out because of a girl, and I don't blame them. I blame the girl, because I know that the girl is so desperate, like, to be famous, so desperate to be, and to be well known. That's why she's doing all these things. Because, like, a girl who has a boyfriend will not go in for Ivan. Like, yo, let's be realistic here. Ivan and Ayamari, who's handsome? Let's be realistic. Who's handsome? But you have to know that the girl went in for something different, not about you laugh or something like that. Because a Polish girl, like she needs she needs a permit to roam about in America. So, Charlie, don't blame her. Don't blame her. Don't blame her. So, like, I'll pass this this statement to Ayamari, that please, Godfather, like, you have to be careful of the people you call your friends, because some people are not your friends, and them, they want to destroy you. That's what Ivan is right now, destroying you. Meanwhile, he is enjoying the benefits of your presence in his apartment. You see the thing? That's not good. That's not good. That's not good. And right now too, I've seen that Amare has got a new friend in America. Like, they have been doing content, and I want to send this message to that person. Please don't think and behave like Ivan. Please be genuine to Amare, and Amare to make you go far. Sign out. I'm out. Don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel, and I'm out.